Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's look I am creating this party kind of makeup look, and this is holiday season, so I thought, okay, why not, let's create this party look, and it's best for holiday season. So yeah, I hope you guys will love it. So without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you wish to see my future uploads. And yeah, I am so excited to do this video today just because this red lips is killing me. I just love this red lip. So let's begin. So first I am taking this Fasali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum, and I just love this serum to prime my face, and I love to use it under my makeup. It makes my makeup last long, and it also makes my makeup look very flawless. And now I'm taking this Model Co brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, and this is just wow. I just love this brow pencil. And like recently you guys must have seen me using this brow pencil in my other videos too, and like I just love it. It's just so good. I just love it. It's like I'm just making my brow as usual. I always do this. And now I am taking this concealer. This concealer is by Australia's, their brow lip concealer. One side it's concealer and the other side it's highlighter. And the brush I am using here is BH Cosmetics 102 concealer brush. And taking these two foundation together, I am mixing these two foundation together. Maybelline's Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Warm Sun 36 Warm Sun, and the other one is LA Girl Pro Coverage HD in the shade 10. So I am mixing these two foundation together just because the first foundation, Maybelline full coverage, is light, so I am mixing these two foundation together to get a perfect shade for my skin. And spraying little bit setting spray on my beauty blender helps to blend this foundation, and it also makes my foundation last long, and also like it makes my foundation look very flawless. And like, yeah, this beauty blender by Morphe is really good, and I love this Morphe's beauty blender. I have got few of their beauty blender already, and I just love it. And as usual, I am applying all the foundation all over my face, as you guys can see here, and also applying some on my neck just because I want my neck and my face to match. And it looks a bit white here, my face, but yeah, it will look better later. So here I am taking Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable, and this is like one of my favorite drugstore concealer, and I just love it, and like it's my go-to concealer. And as usual I apply like this, but also spraying some setting spray on the other side of the same blender and blending it all together. So setting spray really helps to blend all the products, like liquid products, well. And also like you can use a damp beauty blender to blend it too, but I love to use setting spray. I think it works better than using a wet sponge. And then I am taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder in the shade Warm Beige, and I have noticed that while applying this powder, like I am using this powder for the first time, and like while applying I have noticed that it's a bit dark for my skin. So I have used my Revlon Color Stay Press Powder on top of this. You guys will see it here. I'm using with a applicator which comes with that powder. I have used in my other videos too. This powder, like I'm applying it with the applicator it comes with. It's a bit light, and I have mixed it together, like you guys can see it here. now taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I am like using the contouring part, like one side is a banana powder I think, and the other side is a contour. So I am using the contouring part, as you guys can see, but I should have used the banana powder under my eye just because I'm trying this contour for the first time. And it's okay, it's really good, but you guys can use a liquid contour for this part, then apply a powder one. But I think applying a powder one is much better and it's very easy, but liquid one is good too. I sometimes do that, but I feel that powder ones are very easy, and like it gives the same coverage as the liquid ones. So yeah, now I'm using this Manna Kadar's beauty blush. This one is Paradise, and like I got this in my Bellabox, and as usual the brush I'm using is a blush brush, and which I bought long time ago from eBay. And you know, eBay, that time I started doing makeup, so I bought it from eBay. So here I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this highlighter is okay, but it's not as good as my Ofra highlighter I always use, but it's good. It gives a good like coverage, and the brush I'm using here is BH Cosmetics a highlighter brush in number 4, and it comes in a set. I think you can buy it separately too, but I don't know. I bought in a set, like 7 to 9 piece set, and I am highlighting all over the high points on my face. And here I am taking this photo focus setting spray to set all my makeup. So taking this palette, and this palette is really good, and I just love it. It's my one of the go-to palettes which is lying on my beauty table, and I just use it like every day. And taking this brown shade and applying it on the crease with this brush, and this brush is by Zoeva, their Luxie Crease 228 brush, and it's really soft, and I just love these brushes by Zoeva. And here I am taking this gold shade. You know, holiday season is like for golds and for silver golds, and I just love this gold shade, and I'm applying all over the lid, as you guys can see it here. And the brush I'm using is by Zoeva too. They are small shader brush. I think, yeah, I don't have in front of me right now here, but I think it's a crease brush, not a crease brush, but it's a lid like shader brush. So I'm just applying all over the lid, and I'm taking this dark brown, like grayish dark brown shade, and applying on the outer corner of the eyes, and using this brush. This is one of my favorite brush by Zoeva, and this is their like, it's a blending brush, and it's really good, and it's like wow, my favorite brush for blending. And I just love how this eye look is coming out right now. And I'm applying and blending the same shadow, as you guys can see here, and taking this shadow again and blending with the same fresh brush, and just mixing it all the colors together so that it looks well blended. And here I am applying more of that gold shade, just because I think that it's not enough. You can spray a little bit of setting spray on the brush and then apply the eyeshadow, and it will look very pigmented, like it will pick up more colors. So I'm applying this same gold shadow on the like brow bone area, and using the same brush I've used on my eyes for the gold eyeshadow. And here I am taking this Mellow Cosmetics Precise Paint eyeliner in the shade black, and this eyeliner is like my favorite eyeliner at the moment, and it's like, I love pen eyeliner. I think pen eyeliner is very good for applying, and it gives a very precise line, and like it's easy. And if you are a beginner, this pen eyeliner will be very helpful when applying eyeliner. And yeah, I'm doing same wing liner for both eyes. Yeah, can't be different, so yeah, it should be same. And here I'm taking this, like one of the old pencil, liner pencil by BYS, this in the shade black, and like intense black, and I'm applying on the waterline. It's a very inexpensive liner, and taking this same dark shade and like smudging the liner out, as you guys can see here, and applying with the small pencil brush by Zoeva. And I just love using small brushes and just smudging out the liner, and taking this gold shade and using this 106 BH Cosmetics brush and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes, as you guys can see here. And I will also be applying here at the lower lash, like just in the front, a little bit of it, just like this. Not applying any highlighter, but applying this gold eyeshadow as a highlighter. And I'm taking this Zui Organic Mascara, this is in the shade black, and applying it all over my lashes, as you guys can see here, applying it everywhere. And literally I am loving the look. It looks so gorgeous, the look. I just love this kind of eye look. It can be worn as special occasions, and I'm using this eyelash by Huda Beauty. It's Scarlet, and it's one of the old lashes I've been using since a while now, and it's really good. And taking this Wet n Wild lip liner. This lip liner is like, it's good, and like it's berry red 717, and it's just so good, like it's very pigmented. And why not, it's holiday season and this is a party look, so red lips is a must, and I love wearing red lipstick. And I am just filling my lips as usual, and I love like a plum kind of lips, and I am overfilling my lips. So taking this red matte lipstick by Wet n Wild, and I just love this red shade. It's very pigmented and the color is just wow. I just love this color, and Wet n Wild lipsticks are really pigmented and long lasting, and I just love this one. And like I'm using it for the first time, and it's so pigmented, so beautiful. Just try it, and if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comment section below. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your families and friends, and I will catch you all later in my next video.